Scoring a ground pinch, but each time my car gets more. Yeah. Starting off with the Pontiac Firebird. Let's see how fast we can get this. Oh my gosh. 172. Alright, the next car we're going to be using is the Dominus. God. Bang. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Holy shit. Alright, the next car we're going to be using is the Diestro because it's like the second thickest car I have. Ooh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'm going to guess 152. Oh, dang it. That was close. Alright, now it's time for the thickest car I own. The Samurai. This car is so hard to hit a clip with. It's so, like, wide. Bang. Well, that's a good way to end off the video.